Nice coffee. I feel like drawing today, but I don't have an idea what to draw. Maybe I will draw a giraffe with a long neck. Or maybe I can draw a colorful butterfly. Oh, no. I will draw a mat with a cat wearing a hat, eating a rat, drinking tea and looking at me. Ooh, looking at me. That can be cool. Let's try. Okay, children, let's start. I have my paints. Ooh. Oh, my paints are running away. I don't have any paints now. What should I do? I still have my coffee. I can try to use it as my paint. Oh, that's a great idea. Let's try to draw with coffee. Let's do it. I hope you enjoy our process. Give us likes, me and this nice kitty cat or this nice kitty cat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I will teach you a lot of new things. Bye bye, see you later.